Yeah, why do we need sine law? Do you guys remember that?
If you want to find the same side.
Or I should ask the more general question. Why do we need sine law and cosine law? So we've done a bunch of examples now. We want to prove the sine law, right? Why do we need them? Do you know when to use them? That's actually very important. Okay, if you don't know, I'll tell you. Sine law and cosine law is for non-right angle triangles. Okay, if you have a right angle triangle, if you use sine law and cosine law, even though you may get the right answer, I will think that you did it inefficiently and you don't know what sine law and cosine really is for. Okay? Alright, so we know the sine law is this. Okay? It's a ratio between the side and the angle, right? Now, because until we've done this law, we only knew the definition, the sine, cosine, tangent definition. They all come from a right angle triangle, right? So all triangles, I can cut it in half to create, not in half, sorry. You can cut it in a way that you can create two right angle triangles. Does it sound like it's true? Okay, so let's call that height. Okay, look at the left triangle. I want to get a relationship with the sine ratio. So sine of A. What's sine of A equal to? H over C. Let's look at the right side of the triangle. What's sine of C equal to? H over A, right? What do they share, these two equations? Let's isolate that. So these two are equal to each other, right? What happens? Look, divide both sides by the angles. So I'm not gonna skip steps like you guys. I'm gonna write it out here. I know you guys love to skip steps. Nice and colorful. Okay, so crosses out, and we have sum, half of the sine law. How do we get the other one? B over sine of B. How do you think we can get that? Okay, we get that from cutting this triangle. So I cut this triangle from B, vertex V, straight down, right? To get two right angle triangles. But who said you have to do it that way? We could have done it from here, and we could also done it from here. True? Okay. So for example, if you cut it from here, right? You can say B over sine of B over, oh sorry, if you cut it there, this will be the height. So sine of B will be H over A, and sine of A will be H over B. You do exactly the same thing, and you can try this yourself, okay, later, and you will get A over sine of A, B over sine of B, and since there's a link here, we can say all three of them are equal to each other. Does that make sense? Okay, that's the proof of sine law.